the summer of love.
Welcome back everybody to a new video into the Apple Watch Series 4, and when we talk about 3 apps that I like a lot. So the number one app that I like a lot is Notebook. So Notebook is this really simple app that you could get on the Apple Watch App Store, and pretty much it lets you write your notes. Extremely simple, and I found myself writing the letters and it depicts it very accurately, even though sometimes my handwriting is a little bit sloppy. But it's very nice, easy, and very simple to directly write some nice, quick, simple notes on your smartwatch, and you could easily just save it. You could also use your voice if you don't want to write. So pretty much you could record short durations of your voice and pretty much remind yourself of what you need to do. So it's very simple. The app is very, very easy to use, and in my opinion, one of the best note-taking apps, and you have to get this app if you're getting the Series 4, especially you get a bigger screen. The next app is this little game app I found, and it sounds pretty cool. It's Field Day. It's actually the smallest farm which you can actually play around. Although you may be wondering what's up with the overall screen, it is a little bit small. That's because it's made for the Apple Watch Series 3, so they haven't really posted any updates about increasing the overall screen size, but I'm guessing it's going to be coming in the course of a few weeks. And it's very interesting, especially this game is extremely simple, playing different things, and in my opinion, there's a lot of new aspects of the game that you really need to check it out. So the next app is Flipboard. So Flipboard is actually this app on your smartwatch where you can actually get your daily news, and it has been updated to fit the Series 4 screen size. So it's extremely easy to use, and pretty much you can swipe left or right on different subjects, and pretty much you can customize it the way you want to, and you can also get the app on the iPhone as well. So another big thing about this app is you can also scroll up and down to see different news feeds, different articles, what they're saying, and there's a lot of interesting things, and you could choose the topics that you really like technology, science, or politics. So anything you want, and in my opinion, one of the best news apps out there since it's so easy to use. Thanks for watching. Comments below how do you feel about the apps, and which one's your favorite, and which app would you get?